Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin, a super low cap meme coin, and this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin, and it's still not listed on major central exchanges. But friends, it's possible that we can see major central exchange listing soon here. Donald Duck snaps $0.26 current price, and you can see friends last 30 days performance is not good, but it's good for us that we can back best entry in this meme coin price. 60% dump in last 30 days, 18% dump in last 14 days, and 18% dump in last 7 days. So this is good for us. You can see friends, $26 million market. This is awesome. $1.7 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume is no doubt good because still there's no any measures in exchange listing for this meme coin. 98 million coin supply all in circulation. This is good friends. There's the total supplies in circulation. And other Solana ecosystem meme coin, you can see friends, Solana meme, we are 70% down the all time high and 46,000% up the all time low. Coin is illegal 2-0 since its launching. Okay, within just 6 months of its launching, this meme coin has killed 2-0. So friends, this is amazing, awesome performance from this meme coin within just 6 months of its launching. And still this meme coin has a massive bull run ahead, and the Naxi mega bull run. Definitely this meme coin can do something amazing. Okay friends, I see Biox, Gadget.io, and MEXC are the only three central exchanges where this meme coin is listed. MEXC is not updated yet here, but if you open MEXC exchange, then right now this meme coin is also listed on MEXC exchange. Okay, but I don't know why MEXC exchange is still not updated here. So it's still only three central exchanges has list this coin. Loads of central exchange listing left for this meme coin. So this is good that in future maybe we can see major central exchange listing also, friends. So you can see Donald Duck is name, and you can check out all further details on their website. This is the official contract address. You can copy this and you can buy from Daxes also. You can join their Telegram social communities here. Okay, on all further details about this meme coin. And friends, there's another token, Snap Scorby here you can see, and this is another Donald ecosystem meme coin. Okay, Donald himself supporting this Scorby coin. So if this video got maybe 5,000 views, then I will also share you this meme coin because this meme coin is only on $1 million market right now. So super low cap meme coin, this Kobe coin. So it's also possible that in future if we see massive high for this Donald coin, then definitely this Gobi coin will also skyrocket because Gobi is also supported by Donald. So that's why both meme coin can skyrocket in future. So friends, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market cap is $26 million. Okay, just $26 million per, because this is duck theme meme coin. Okay, duck theme meme coin, not a dog or cat theme meme coin as in crypto market. We saw many dog theme meme coin, many cat theme meme coin, but this is duck theme meme coin. So this is very unique concept. It's very unique theme meme coin, and its total supply is just 98 million coins only. So low supply very. So this is another good thing about this meme coin, and still there's no any major central exchange listing for this meme coin. Just three central exchanges has only list this coin. So it's still lots of central exchange listing left for Donald coin, but it's definitely possible. There's market right now good, trading volume is good, so major central exchanges can list this coin. If this meme coin can make massive hype in crypto market, we can see it's trending in future, then definitely major central exchanges will list this coin, just like maybe we can see it's listing on Bybit, KuCoin, and in future it's also possible because still Binance has not list any duck theme meme coin, because on Binance we saw mostly dog theme and cat theme meme coin and frog theme meme coin, but no any duck theme meme coin yet on Binance. But this meme coin has potential to be the first duck theme meme coin listing on Binance in future. And friends, I think in next 8 to 12 months from now we can see its market cap maybe in $1 billion here. It's possible that next year mega billion every animal, every bird theme meme coin will skyrocket, and this is duck theme meme coin. So it's possible that next year mega billion we can see this meme coin in $1 billion market cap here. And if you're also interested to buy this meme coin, do your own research and then invest here. What's your price prediction? What do you think? Is this meme coin has potential to be the next 100x meme coin, or can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin or not? You can must comment down below.